Plus, how scientists at Hofstra University are helping fight the opioid epidemic.
You're watching Fox 5 News at 5.
Drug dealers can create new versions of opioids faster than cops can keep track.
But now some Long Island scientists are helping police figure out exactly what's in those designer drugs. Jody Goldberg shows us how.
It's research in forensic science that could potentially put a stop to the nationwide opioid epidemic.
We're looking to come up with a rapid identification system for designer opioids and things like fentanyl, carfentanil, and fentanyl cousins.
Hofstra senior Nicole Hamburger is spending her summer screening samples of synthetic or designer drugs meant to mimic illegal drugs but can be purchased legally because manufacturers are constantly changing the chemical structure.
Really what we want to do is provide another tool for law enforcement to be able to identify all of these dangerous compounds.
She's using street samples and an NMR instrument, short for nuclear magnetic resonance, to help precisely identify and quantify components of the designer drugs.
So what the instrument is able to do is basically tell me the structure of whatever is in there by looking at each of the protons on the compound itself.
Samples are inserted into the instrument one at a time. It takes about 45 minutes for the data to be collected before it can be analyzed.
So hopefully with that information, we'll actually be able to create like a library. So an analyst later on can just look at it and be like, I have peaks here, here, and here, so it must be this compound.
Associate Professor Dr. Ling Wang says they're the first lab in the nation to be using the NMR for this type of work. It started 7 years ago with synthetic marijuana.
We were able to, within a matter of 10 minutes, identify multiple cannabinoids in a complex mixture without destroying them. So we just pushed this method forward with the opioids.
Right now, when police officers find an unknown substance, they can send it to a lab for the results. Huang and Hamburger say this method would be much quicker. In Hempstead, Long Island, Jody Goldberg, Fox 5 News.